roto mai koe taku Moe moea Mutuare no taua Kua rake ia Ki te rau mai re
Okay fam, we have a little story time for you, but give me one moment while I take off my jacket. Today guys, we went to the market.
Punanga Nui Market.
And it started pissing down raining that we like literally just left. So this is the clip that we got. Someone told me out of wet season, but yeah guys, let's go. That was a clip, that's all we got. We didn't get anything else because it just started raining. Then we had to go back home because we were like, okay, we gotta go say bye to Papa. We had to grab some special something for Papa. And then we went over and we said goodbye to Papa, which is this clip. Roll the footage. Hang on. No, we're here at Papa's house. We're just saying bye. Yeah. He's gonna miss his Papa so much. And now we're here at the airport, just listening to Uncle Terry tell his stories.
Locked it into the inputs.
My boy here. All the family came down. I told Papa, don't come down again. You're gonna make me cry more. And then look what happened. He's here.
Okay.
Yeah, he likes to make me cry. Nice.
Guys, we're leaving. I do not want to go. I love it here. Love it. But we have to go back. And we're gonna take these back with us because these can't stay. They can't stay, honey. Can they? Can they stay or yeah or no?
No.
These are coming back with us. Let's go.
Kuatai mai torongo Kare koe te ngutu are Awe, awe Ea ara te tuku Tukuraki aku Akara ke ia Totawa ngutu are Te aire nei koe eki Para taito Ea ara te atu No ki aku Kare ere uiku Poroki roki No ta'au yakaru ke mai To tamata mai ne To muramata ki te haune Hei tupo ia koe He takutu
Yeah, man, it's Saturday. It's Saturday. It's like you're smiling, but it's so sad.
Your heart's broken. My husband wants to cry so bad, but he's already there. It's okay. Don't cry.
Tupo ia koe I takutu ine I tupo ia koe I takutu ine
Okay fam, it to New Zealand. We get it, you're Cook Island. Gonna grab our bags, head out. Not sure who's picking us up. But we'll see. Tēnā koutou everybody, we're back in Aotearoa, the land of the long white cloud. We have our Australian Rarotonga passengers here in the car. And we're now heading off to the airport. Oh no, the hotel. The hotel, yeah. You are so cute!
Oh, thank you.
And Manolo out. These are so cute! No, do him. Leave the stuff to Maddie, honey. Yeah. Oh my god! These are so cute! I feel like it's for me. Oh my gosh! Oh, thank you, Riri. Thank you, Maddie. Thank you, Jay.
Oh, thank you guys.
Show me your party tonight.
What do I say? Thank you so much, guys.
Guys, they lied to us. They said it's an underdressed place. I came off the plane. Shorts.
Shawty. We're about to walk into this fancy ass restaurant. And we're dressed like this.
The thingy was delayed. So guys, we have reached our destination. We changed our plans. We ended up coming back to the hotel that Sera is staying at to swap the cars. So now we are getting into the big black box. It's a big ass. Anyways, we're gonna put the seats up in the back and we're gonna have a big car ride. Hey guys, so Tuxx and Sera wanted to come and check out Otara. So we are at 274, just checking out Otara, you know, the hood. So welcome to, how do you guys think of Otara right now? Wow. Okay, so we are now in the Otara shopping center area. Tuxx and Sera wanted to touch ground.
Guys, we had to come and touch the ground.
They're gonna come. They're gonna come perform on the famous stage that we do. Oh, how's it feel?
I feel like I'm in New Zealand.
Okay, guys, so we just got our stuff. We got our Rockstars Memphis ice cream, and we are now going to check out. And we're gonna eat them in the car. Guys, this is some ba.
Naruto mai koe taku Moe moea Ngutu are no taua Kuaraki
We made it! Okay guys, so now we're just waiting for Baba to come pick us up, but we're gonna end the vlog here because once we get home, we're gonna shower, jump straight into bed and just knock out. We're so exhausted. Yeah.
Just like sore back, sore legs.
But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We love you Tunas family. Until our next trip, we'll see you soon. Bye.
Away